So here we have a little Skagit SJ4 mobile yarder loader. Well, loader. Doesn't have the fancy gantry on it for yarding. I'm sure it could take one. Big skyline block in front of it for hood ornament. That is one crazy heavy duty boom for that thing. Or it's just been boxed in. No, it's got the Skagit logo, so it would have been factory. I think the original ones just had the lattice work, so it's probably been plated, just plated over. Yeah, you can still see the latticing in there. I guess that was the upgrade. Put the 3/16 or 1/4 inch all over it. About 4.5 feet wide. The boom. I guess if the operators back then were whining the air conditioning wasn't working or the radio wasn't working or there was no heater, they'd look at them like they're absolutely insane. There's certain things you didn't ask for back then. That was anything to do with creature comforts, ergonomics, or an enjoyable day. Knee throttle. Cab's 2 foot wide, not even. This old timer's seen it all. I'll just have one look at the crude operating system for the mobile. It was a 4x4, big pumpkin diff in the front with no drive shaft. That's where your frame will break. That's the other place it'll break. This even says Skagit on the pedals themselves. How about that? Quite a ride.